what is stored for MSME sector in wake of large scale migration of labor force? This is specifically for the MSME sectors and how they are going to deal with the migration of labor force. What are your views on that?
The SME sector has really been beaten down.
That's true.
If you look at the GDP, 31% of the GDP comes from the SME sector. And now we are having massive problems due to migrations. Because of this migration, there is a fear many of the units that have closed down now never get revived. The people who have gone back to their villages, will they have the guts to come back? They will be thinking, this type of lockdowns, will it happen again? We might be thinking it's a black swan event. But what if some other thing happens? And one of the other participants did mention about there being a backlash, who's saying there could be another wave of this coming back. So there could be a periods of more lockdowns. So in such a scenario, people who have gone back, the migrants who have gone back, will they risk coming back? That's a question that we need to ponder over. And even if they come back, what assurance will the SME units or the government give to these workers so that they won't be inconvenienced like they have been inconvenienced now? So that's a question that everyone needs to ask, and the migrants will be asking themselves. But what I would suggest is most of these migrants are skilled. Why do they want to come back to the city? With the help of the local state governments, can't their skills be utilized? Can't new industries be set up in these states wherein the skills can be utilized? And more jobs can be created due to this. So my feeling is we are in for hard times as far as the MSME sector is concerned. There has to be a pivot wherein a new thinking will have to come, new industries will have to come if the sector has to be revived. Thank you.
So true. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's actually very, very insightful to hear this, because it is the need of the hour now. That's happened what has happened. And if somebody pivots into going into these areas where we can get more of labor and set up things there instead of trying to bring in people from there, I think that could really change the entire ecosystem and, help the economy too. So thank you for that insight. It's really very, very helpful.